How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can set the best setting for your Thrustmaster T248. So the first thing that you want to do is to navigate whether you have a compatible control panel for your mobile devices or you have the control panel supported for your computer. Either way, it's going to work the same. Now, you want to go ahead and apply the following setting. The first thing that I want to talk about is going to be from the control panel itself. So the first thing that we have right here, which is going to be the overall force feedback. Now you want to set this to 70 or 80% because this will prevent overheating. Now setting it to 100% can go ahead and cause it clipping where the motor is overloaded and details get washed out. So I suggest 75 to 80%. Now the constant is going to be 100, and same thing with the periodic right here. For the spring and dampener, you want to choose between 0 or 50%. If the wheel feels too heavy for you, or basically you just want a pure unassisted feel, you want to turn the dampening down to 0% as such. Now we also have in-game settings. Of course, there's a lot of game settings out there. So I'm primarily going to talk about more on something like Forza Motorsport and Forza Horizon. Now from here, there's a lot of settings as I've said earlier. But inside, you want to set your vibration scale to 60, the force feedback scale to 100, the mechanical trail or the pneumatic trail 90 to 120, and the wheel dampening scale is 0. Basically, we have more for something like F1 or 24, for Gran Turismo, for EA Sports, WRC, and many more, but generally you just want to focus on the main setting right here. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.